Building a culture of service excellence in IT. Building a culture of service excellence in IT can lead to increased customer satisfaction, improved employee morale, and ultimately, enhanced business growth. Why is service excellence important in IT? Service excellence is essential in the IT industry as it allows companies to differentiate themselves from competitors and deliver exceptional value to customers. How to build a culture of service excellence in IT. Led by example. Cultivating a culture of service excellence starts at the top. Empower employees. Empowering employees to take ownership of the customer experience can lead to improved service delivery. Benefits of building a culture of service excellence in IT. Increased customer satisfaction. By prioritizing service excellence, IT companies can enhance customer satisfaction levels and build strong relationships with their clients. Improved employee morale. Employees who feel empowered to deliver exceptional service are more engaged, motivated, and satisfied in their roles. Conclusion. Building a culture of service excellence in IT is essential for companies looking to thrive in today's competitive business landscape. Embrace service excellence as a core value within your organization and watch as it transforms the way you do business.